Now there will be some questions on general definition of parabolas. Say for example this one, which is the axis of parabola is along y equals to x and distance of its vertex and focus from origin are root 2 and 2 root 2 respectively. So we have this origin and axis is along y0 x line. This angle is 45 degrees. Now vertex, it is at a distance of root 2 units and focus is at a distance of 2 root 2 units from origin. So again it will be root 2 units. So now we know that this is root 2. So it is root 2 cos 45. So it is 1 and it is root 2 sin 45. So its vertex will be at 1 comma 1 and in the same way its focus. So it is 2 root 2, 2 root 2 cos 45. So focus will be at 2 comma 2. So now we have vertex and we also have focus. Now we know that vertex divides focus and base of directrix in the ratio 1:1. That is, vertex is the midpoint of focus and base of directrix. Now vertex is at 1 comma 1 and focus is at 2 comma 2. So it simply means base of directrix here it will be this origin. So directrix, it will pass through origin and it will be a line which is perpendicular to axis. So we need to find equation of this line. So equation of this line is y is equal to x. So equation of directrix simply will be y equals minus x. So now we have directrix, we also have focus. So once we have directrix and focus, we can write equation of this parabola. So equation of any parabola is PS equals EPM, where the value of E is 1. So PS is under root of x minus 2 square plus y minus 2 square, E is 1, and PM in this case will be simply x plus y upon root 2. So if we'll square it, we'll write x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals x plus y whole square upon 2, and that is the equation of this parabola. So vertex at 1 comma 1, focus at 2 comma 2, directrix at y equals to minus x. So this is how we can draw this parabola. Now in this question we need to find length of latest rectum of a parabola whose focus is u square upon 2g sin 2 alpha minus u square upon 2g cos 2 alpha and whose directrix is y equals u square upon 2g. Now we know that if we are given directrix and if we are given focus, then distance between focus and directrix is equal to 2a. So first we'll find this distance ds or sd. So this distance will be simply, now what's the equation of this line? Equation of this line is y minus u square upon 2g. So I'll put the value of y. So I'll get minus u square upon 2g cos 2 alpha and then minus u square upon 2g, and this is divided by 1. So length of latest rectum will be simply 4a and there will be 2 times of sd. So it will be simply 2 times and then I'll take u square upon 2g common, then I'll get 1 plus cos 2 alpha. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So I'll write u square upon g into, now we can write cos 2 alpha as 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So 1 and 1 will cancel. So length of latest rectum for this parabola will be 2u square cos square alpha upon g.